Hi, I'm Rob Mays with Hance's Uptown Collision Center, and this is Collision Conversations. As a lifelong car guy in Dallas, Texas, I'm also known as a car nut of Dallas. I've been servicing cars in the Metroplex since 1995. I bought Roy Hance's original business that he started in 1955, and we've grown the operation to our new location in Plano, Texas. Let's talk the insurance claims process. Most of us are not insurance experts. A lot of times our only insurance information we have is buying insurance or watching commercials. There's a certain lizard on TV, there's a certain lady selling stuff, there's a certain place that's your neighbor, there's a certain place that likes to hold you in their hands. Those are all great companies that sell a product that's designed to generate revenue for them. When you have a claim, it's designed to make you whole, but they're not looking out for your best interests. They really are good people and they're good companies, but they're not really looking out for you. The only place looking out for you is a good quality collision center that wants to fix your car properly, give you good information. Yes, we make a living fixing your car. We do it in a way that benefits you the most. It's your property, it's your vehicle. We want to help you maintain the value of that vehicle. And the insurance claims process is something that most people don't go through. Most people don't have to deal with insurance claims. They say most consumers, and this is several years ago, the data that I'm quoting, says that most consumers have 7 years between accidents. Some people may go 20 years, may go 30 years and have an accident, but most people see an accident every 7 years. So it's not a lot of practice at it. We practice it every day. We see all the things that happen every day in the insurance claims process, and it's changing every day. Technology is changing. Just like with the COVID situation across the world, the claims process has changed in the United States. In 1955, when Roy Hance started Hance's Uptown Collision, Hance Paint and Body, you got 3 estimates from 3 different shops. You'd go to those 3 estimates, drive around, and the insurance companies would average those 3 together and give you the money and say, go get your car fixed. That's not how it's done today. Today it can be done online, it can be done in the field, it can be done with app technology, it can be done with you getting the car repaired and then submitting a bill. There's so many different ways they do it, and the insurance companies are doing things in a way that insulates them from liability. It's just a part of the business model. 25 years ago, when I bought Hance's Paint and Body, Hance's Uptown Collision, we had people come out from insurance companies, come to our shop and look at the vehicle with us and go over it. That doesn't happen today. We're doing it with cameras, we're doing it with apps, we're doing it with video, we're doing it with live chat, we're doing it with all kinds of different technology and negotiating that claims process. And we see challenges, so we can only imagine what the consumer goes through in dealing with the claims process. Here's the most important thing. Choose a facility you want to use and trust them to help you get the car fixed. We'd like for you to choose Hance's Uptown Collision, but when you go through this process, don't go to a shop that's recommended by the insurance company. Most shops recommended by the insurance company are involved with them directly. They have a direct repair relationship. There's a quid pro quo. There's a benefit to that company being under contract with that insurance company. It benefits the insurance company. The large body shops and mega shops around the country are involved with insurance companies on a much deeper level than just a claims process. An independent body shop, a small independent, or even a large dealership doesn't necessarily have those contracts, and that means we're putting the consumer first. When you're going through the claims process, you want someone who looks out for you and your interests first. If we give you advice, it's designed to benefit you. So when you have a claim, when you're dealing with a claims process, call your insurance company and pick a shop that you want to trust and use, and have that shop involved right away. Let the insurance company know you're going to be using the shop, and that's the shop that's going to be fixing the car. That's the number one most important thing, is make that connection first. Once you make that connection, then that shop can help guide you through the claims process, give you good advice, give you good information, and help you get your car repaired. For more collision conversations, subscribe to our channel, Hance's Uptown Collision.